The Saudi stock market nowadays is negatively affected by many factors. The geopolitical issues, especially in Yemen, Syria, overall the world, and declining of the oil prices sharply from 120 to 40 something. So it's declined by about 60%, 70% in oil prices. So there are a lot of challenges to the Saudi stock market and the Saudi economy. But we trust that the market will rebound. There are a lot of things, I think, about the Saudi economy and a new, what we can say, new generation of the government in Saudi Arabia. King Salman, Prince Muhammed bin Nayef, Prince Muhammed bin Salman. I think they have a lot to do to the Saudi economy, which we can see it next month with the new budget for 2016. And we think this will impact directly to the Saudi stock market. 2016 will be the challenge year for the Saudi stock market. Most of the companies now below the evaluation. The banks now traded at 8 or 9 PE, which is very low, with high dividend yield, cement sectors, petrochemicals. So I think it's easy to rebound with any positive news in the economy. Now the dividend yield, the Saudi stock market now have very strong point of dividend yield. Cement sectors have a dividend yield about 8-9%. STC now about 6%. Most of the banks about 4-5%. Petrochemicals also with we can say it's the worst year for them. Also they announced good dividend for 2015. I think this will be continue for the market. The average dividend yield of the market now about 5%, which is very, very high comparing with the emerging markets and developed markets. Not now. I think we still need some time for inviting the retail from outside. Actually, they will not come without the Saudi, consider Saudi as a part of the major index in the world, which we think it will be in Q1 2017, not before that. But until that, we will focus on QFI, or the qualified institution in the world. We don't look for hot money. Actually, we are not shortage of liquidity. The liquidity here in Saudi Arabia is pretty good, but what we need from the investors to enhance the performance of the company's board and business, not the liquidity itself. When the qualified investors come to Saudi Arabia, they will be maybe part of the board, maybe part of the construction of the market. So it will enhance the performance of the managements of the Saudi companies. This is what we need from the QFI, not liquidity, not their money actually. We need their experience, how to accelerate the positive growth in the companies in the kingdom.